This land was once completely empty. No buildings, no animals, no income, just dry soil and a vision. People looked at this place and saw nothing. But we saw opportunity. We started with a simple plan. Level the ground, build strong sheds, install water systems, create feeding areas, and design a clean, healthy environment for cattle. Day by day, the transformation began. Steel structures went up, water tanks were installed, electric lines were connected, and then, the most important moment arrived. The cattle stepped onto this land. What was once empty is now a fully operational dairy farm, producing milk every single day. This is proof that land alone is not power. Vision and action are. If you have land, you have opportunity. Build it, grow it, turn it into income.